Here is the one tip you need to understand to get the most of your Tokyo Disneyland and Tokyo DisneySea visits. Happy entry. If you stay in a Tokyo Disney resort, you receive a happy entry ticket for each member of your party for each day of your stay that allows you to enter one of the theme parks 15 minutes before the general public. 15 minutes doesn't sound like much, but trust me, here's how Tokyo Disney Resort guests can make those 15 minutes count without paying any additional money. Head straight to the attraction that typically has the longest wait time and get it done right away with little wait. For us at Tokyo Disneyland, that was the Enchanted Tale of Beauty and the Beast attraction. Tokyo DisneySea, that might be Journey to the Center of the Earth, Soarin', Fantastic Flight, or Rapunzel's Lantern Festival. To select reservations for an attraction, your ticket must already be scanned into the park. So as you're walking to your first attraction, one of the people in your party can open up the Tokyo Disney app and reserve what's called a priority pass. A priority pass for an attraction allows you to bypass the standby line and walk right into the attraction with minimal wait. So essentially, with Happy Entry, you get on 2 attractions with minimal wait. The one you walk to first and the one you reserve on the app. Your second priority as you walk to your first attraction is to reserve seats at one of the shows. Live stage shows work differently in Tokyo Disney. Instead of first come, first served to get a seat, you reserve seats on the app for a specific show time. On the app, this is called entry requests. Unlike the American Disney parks that have a small rush at opening and then people trickle into the park throughout the day, in Tokyo Disney, the vast majority of people that will be visiting the parks that day are already waiting outside the front gate before park opening. With Happy Entry, you get to bypass the crowds waiting outside. While Happy Entry is only 15 minutes, you can accomplish a lot. Let's review. Stay at a Tokyo Disney Resort for access to Happy Entry. Arrive at the park at least 15 minutes before the park opens to take full advantage of the Happy Entry benefits. Step 1, walk to the most popular attraction. Step 2, reserve another popular attraction using Priority Pass. And Step 3, reserve seats for a live show using Entry Request. Enjoy your stay, as Tokyo DisneySea and Tokyo Disneyland are some of the very best theme parks in the world. If you've already been, what tips do you have for Tokyo Disney? Share your insights in the comments. If you're a Disney theme park fan like me, you'll love these great videos. Click on one now.